Hello everyone, welcome back to Health and Beauty Station. Friends, today I'm going to share my experience of using Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range. I have been using these products in my morning and evening skincare routine regularly for past 10 days. And here in this video, I'm going to share my experience of using these products. Also, I'm going to share the benefit of using vitamin C in skincare. Before starting the video, if you are visiting this channel first time, then please subscribe. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Friends, Wow Skin Science Vitamin C skincare line is enriched with lemon essential oil and orange essential oil. These two oils are rich in vitamin C, and these two oils give nice moisturizing and brightening effect on the skin. Also, it helps to lighten the dark spots and pigmentation on the skin. This line is also enriched with aloe vera extracts, which helps to moisturize the skin and give skin a brightening effect. Friends, best part about these products is these products are dermatologically tested, and also they are free from parabens, silicone, mineral oil and alcohol. So there are 4 products in this line. There is face wash, toner, serum and face cream. So I will explain you all the products one by one. Also, I'm gonna tell how to use these products in your skincare routine. First product of the range is face wash. This is Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash. This face wash is enriched with mulberry and licorice extracts. Now, licorice extracts is another beautiful ingredient in this face wash, which helps to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. It is also enriched with vitamin C, lemon and orange essential oils. It is infused with natural actives, and this is dermatologically tested. So friends, face wash comes in this tube format, and this is 100 ml in quantity. It is a clear gel based face wash and lathers well. This face wash is suitable for all skin types, and it is perfect for everyday use. So how to use this face wash? You just have to wet your face and neck with water and squeeze small amount of face wash on your palm. Apply and massage for 30 to 60 seconds in circular upward direction on your face and neck, and then wash off with plenty of water. So when you wash off your face with water, you will see your face bright and clear, as it removes all dirt, impurities from your face and gives you nice brightening effect. So now I will show you the texture of the face wash. It is gel based in consistency, and it has got no color. And when you massage on wet face, it lathers quite well. So once you massage it for 30 to 60 seconds, you just have to wash off with water, and then you can continue with toner, serum and face cream. Friends, next product of the range is Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. So this comes in a cardboard packaging. This is 200 ml packaging, and it helps to brighten and refresh the skin. It is also infused with lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, witch hazel and aloe vera extracts. So this toner is non-drying and brightening toner. This is also dermatologically tested, free from all harmful chemicals. So this is a multitasking product that offers the benefit of both toner and facial mist. So you just have to spray toner on your face. I'll show you the bottle of the toner. So this is the toner bottle. It has got spray at the top, and you just have to spray the toner. Once the toner dries, you can continue with your face cream or serum or sunscreen, whatever your next skincare step is. But this facial toner I especially liked because it is very lightweight, it absorbs quickly, it hydrates the skin, it gives nice brightening effect on the skin. Friends, next product of the line is serum. This is vitamin C face serum. It contains 20% vitamin C, which is quite good quantity to give brightening effect on the face. This is dermatologically tested, and it is enriched with vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. So along with brightening, it locks in the moisture and gives you nice brightening and moisturized skin. It helps to hydrate the skin and brighten the complexion. So hyaluronic acid is very good ingredient. It locks in the moisture, and vitamin C gives brightening effect. So this one serum is performing two tasks for you. It will give you nice hydrated skin and give you bright complexion. It is 30 ml bottle. So I'll now show you the serum bottle. Comes in a dark packaging. This is a glass packaging. It has got pump at the top, and the serum is quite lightweight. This is the serum. 1 or 2 pumps is sufficient. Actually, 1 pump is sufficient for your entire face. So this is a toner, very lightweight, absorbs quickly, gentle on the face, and gives brightening effect on the skin. Plus it smells refreshing. You can use it in the morning and evening in your skincare routine to get nice and bright complexion. It reduces dark spots on regular use, and it also gives you nice brightening effect on the skin. So we have come to the last product of the range, and that is Wow Vitamin C Face Cream. So this comes in a cardboard packaging like this. Inside there is a glass bottle. It is dermatologically tested and free from parabens, silicone and harmful chemicals. The net weight is 50 ml, and it is airless jar. The packaging of the jar is quite good. I really love the packaging. It is enriched with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it gives hydration, brightening effect and anti-aging effect on the skin. Because it contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, it gives brightening and moisturized effect on the skin, and also helps to give you anti-aging benefits. So friends, this is the inside packaging. As you can see, very luxurious bottle, and the best part of this bottle is it has got nozzle here, and you just have to press the pump to get the product out. So I really love the packaging. It is quite hygienic. You don't have to put your fingers inside the bottle to get the product out. It dispenses right amount of product for one use. You just have to press it gently. So this is the cream. This comes in a white color, and the fragrance is amazing. It is vitamin C fragrance, very refreshing fragrance. Now I'll show you how it gets absorbed into the skin and gives nice brightening effect on the skin. So as you can see, it easily gets absorbed into the skin and makes skin very moisturized, very supple and very soft. So friends, my skin type is combination skin. I have T-zone oily and cheeks are dry. So this cream is perfect for my skin type. It never makes me look sticky or shiny. So friends, in short, I really love all 4 products of the range. I especially love the toner and the serum. It gets easily absorbed into the skin and gives nice effect, brightening effect on the skin. So this was my review on vitamin C skincare line from Wow Skin Science. If you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.